Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Battlefield. Battlefield means piece of ground on which battle is or was fought. For example, death on the battlefield. Death on the battlefield. Synonyms: battleground, front, battlefront.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. History surrounds us with battlefields, burial grounds, and forts. Now, repeat after me. History surrounds us with battlefields, burial grounds, and forts. The second exemplar. Terrorists wear civilian clothes and they don't fight on battlefields. Now, repeat after me. Terrorists wear civilian clothes and they don't fight on battlefields. The third exemplar. Future battlefields will require ground units to cover ever-widening frontages. Now, repeat after me. Future battlefields will require ground units to cover ever-widening frontages.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The following sentence contains all 26 letters of the alphabet. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence is often used to test typewriters or keyboards.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.